Good morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to bridge your Haven1, that's H1 mainnet token, to the Ethereum version, so you can send to Kucoin or any exchange where this is listed for you to trade smoothly. So I'm using BitGet wallet. I don't know whichever one you're using, but I recommend using BitGet wallet. You can import your wallets to BitGet. So this is my H1 token from the testnet activities. I got 459.6411 H1 token, which is on H1 mainnet. But the mainnet version is not listed on exchange. What is listed on exchange, like Kucoin, is the Ethereum chain. So you come to discover, then the website, you visit Haven1.org. That's Haven1.org. So once the site opens, you see here, you select enter Haven1, and now we want to bridge from Haven1 to Ethereum, not from Ethereum to Haven1. So I'm going to change the arrow. So the asset I'm bridging from is Haven1. I'll select that, and it can show the amount I have on H1 mainnet. I'll select max. That's the whole 459.644. The Haven1 mainnet gas fee is free. So I'm going to wrap this. I'll connect wallet. It's connected. Then I'll go ahead and wrap. So wrapping would convert that H1 mainnet token to wH1. So I'm going to confirm, and the bridge ratio is 1:1. So after wrapping the H1 mainnet token successfully, then I can now move to the Ethereum version. Think what's going on. Let me refresh. Okay, so it has been wrapped successfully, and now what I have is the wrapped H1. So what's the next thing I need to do? Let me go back to the dashboard. I'm going to swap H1 and see what I have here. So if I want to swap this to let me see, I can't swap to anything. Yeah. Okay. I think I should be able to swap to Hertz. That's the wrapped H1. Yeah, the token has dropped to $14. Let me check something. It's wrapped, but it's still on H1. Bridge this to Ethereum network, Haven1. So this is also free. So now this is what I'm doing. I'm bridging from the wrapped H1 to H1 on Ethereum, which is what would be required for you to transfer to exchange where H1 is listed. So I'm going to approve this. If you're not subscribed to my channel, I recommend you subscribe now so you don't miss important updates from this channel. So now I'm bridging from the wrapped H1 on the H1 mainnet to H1 on Ethereum. So now I'll go ahead and confirm, and it's also free. Bridging, swapping, and the whole process I've been going through is all free, even though I'm actually going to Ethereum mainnet. So confirmation on Haven1 mainnet in progress. So after the confirmation on Haven1 mainnet, the next is transfer to Ethereum, which is in progress now. So once the transfer to Ethereum is complete, I'll be able to see my H1 on the Ethereum chain on my wallet. That's the same 459.6411. Just trying to see the complete part. I can actually close the page now and keep refreshing my wallet. It's definitely going to appear. So this is how you bridge your airdrop token. If you did the H1 airdrop, that's the testnet activity, or you mined on the Satoshi app and you were eligible, you need to first bridge the H1 on the mainnet to wrapped H1. Then from the wrapped H1, you bridge to Ethereum mainnet. So once you get to Ethereum mainnet, that's the same H1 token, then you can send this to an exchange where you can trade this. I believe sending an Ethereum token will require Ethereum for gas fee. So let's just watch this. Still in progress for the transfer to Ethereum. Initial transfer on H1 mainnet is completed. Confirmation on H1 mainnet is completed. So transfer to Ethereum is what's in progress for now. And as you see, it says transfer in progress. You can close this pop-up window. You receive a notification once the transfer is complete. Or you can check this transaction in the history page. So let me just close this. And I can go to my wallets. If I go to let me go to all network and add the H1 token. I'm not seeing the H1 on Ethereum mainnet yet. Let me search for Haven. I'm not seeing it here. Okay, Okay, let me select Ethereum. And go back to our network. I believe the transaction is still in progress. If not, I would have been credited by now. So basically, that's how you bridge your token from mainnet of wH1 to Ethereum mainnet. So I have an idea. Let me come to scan. Did I get the address correctly? Let me just search. Yeah, it's etherscan.io. So I'm going to scan the Ethereum blockchain explorer with my address to see the Ethereum tokens that I have on this wallet address. That way I'll be able to import the wH1 contract address successfully. So it shows one token. This is the wH1. So what I want to copy now is the contract address. I'm going to leave the contract address in the description of this video so you can easily import. So come here and I'll paste the contract address. So it's searching and this is it. So I've added the wH1 on the Ethereum mainnet, which is also not listed. So a fee was charged. It's turned out it's not free. Instead of $4.59, I'm getting $4.50. So from here you can send your wH1. This wH1 is okay for you to send to any exchange you want to send. So thank you for watching this and I will see you in the next video.